Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about a motion tracking of distorting the face. And by distorting the face, I kind of just mean doing any kind of edit you want on the face, stretching it out, making it smaller, making it a different color, doing anything you want in After Effects and Premiere. So the Creative Cloud platform. So basically it's super simple. Let's say we want to take a short clip from this clip here. Okay, so what we're going to take is this clip here. You don't know who this is probably, but this guy's face, he starts laughing. And we want to, I guess, stretch his face out for a little bit of a funny edit. So we're going to right click it after we finish cutting the clip. And then we're going to want to do replace with After Effects composition. And then After Effects will open up and it'll ask you to create a new product. And here we're going to type in funny edit 1. All right, so we have our composition. This is our video that we want to edit. So first of all, we're going to go here to where it says tracker, and we're going to do track motion. So we get our track point. I'm just zooming in a little bit here, guys. So yeah, we have our track point here. We're going to move that onto his eye. Actually, we'll move it onto his nose, somewhere in the middle of his face. I think the nose hole would probably be the best, like in the middle of the face. Then we want to press analyze. So this will analyze it forward and track it automatically, which is really cool. Okay, so now if we go here, we can notice that we have a motion trackers with a bunch of keyframes. And we have our attach point, all that good stuff. So now we want to create our effect. So we're going to go to effects and presets. And this is where we can really do whatever we want. We're going to do bulge. So we're just going to drag it on to the video. And basically we're going to make the bulge center the attach point here. So, okay, so if we want to change the bulge center, we're going to have to go to our effects here, bulge. And then you can see our bulge center, and we're going to take the whip and we're just going to attach it to the attach point for our motion tracker. And so as you can see, it will stay on the motion tracker now. You can make any little adjustments you want with the keyframes. But that's basically how you do it. You can change the effect however you want. We can do bulge height. That's pretty good. I like that. That's how you do it. You can use most of these effects in the same kind of way. Your position. So it has to have some kind of center or value that you can change so that you can actually change the position on the fly. Because this is just kind of more real-time stuff. I don't know if you can actually change the percentage or not the percentage of this. For this, you might want to create a distortion mesh. And yeah, if you want this to be saved onto Premiere, just Control S, and you can now close your Adobe After Effects. And if we go to our Premiere, we can watch this video and it will be edited with our new funny edit. So that's basically how you do motion tracking with effects. Stay tuned for some other video tutorials on Premiere and After Effects Suite. Thank you for watching, and yeah.